Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI for process mapping. In this walkthrough, you'll learn a simple way to start using Claude to help organize and describe a process. This can be useful when you want to map out a workflow, clarify steps in a task, or create a structured outline for a business or operational process. The overall idea is very straightforward. Open a new chat, enter a prompt about process mapping, and then submit it so Claude can generate a response. To begin, open Claude and go to the new chat page. Starting with a fresh chat is helpful because it gives you a clean space to focus on the process you want to map. This also helps keep the conversation organized, especially if you plan to refine the result or ask follow-up questions afterward. Once the new chat screen is open, you're ready to tell Claude what kind of process map you need. Next, enter a sample prompt about process mapping into the message box. This is where you describe the process you want Claude to help with. Try to be clear and specific in your wording so the response is more useful. For example, you can ask Claude to create a process map for a particular workflow, outline the stages involved, or break a task into logical steps. If needed, include context such as the goal of the process, the people involved, or the outcome you want. The more focused your prompt is, the easier it will be for Claude to generate a practical and organized result. Take a moment to review what you type before sending it. This quick check can help you catch unclear wording or anything missing from your request. If your prompt is too broad, Claude may return something more general than you want. A well-written prompt usually leads to a better starting point for process mapping. Once your prompt is ready, press Enter to submit it. Claude will then begin generating a response based on your request. At this point, you can read through the output and see how the process has been structured. In many cases, this gives you a solid first draft that you can refine further if needed. That's all it takes to get started. By opening a new chat, entering a process mapping prompt, and submitting it, you can quickly use Claude as a helpful tool for organizing workflows and turning ideas into clear, structured processes.